Welcome to a quick Photoshop tutorial. We're just going to be looking at the puppetwarp tool today. So first of all, get the image that you want to change or move around, and this is how the puppet tool works. So if we come up to the edit menu, select puppet tool, and first of all, the way that the pin works, the pin shows you where you want to pin the actual picture down. So actually, if we click once, we've got a pin here, and we start to move it around. It's really no different to the move tool, but the way the pin works is that if you pin the body down again somewhere, what then happens is that it will rotate sort of round those pinned areas, and we might not want that. So the best way to get the puppet tool working correctly is to use it to pin down the areas that you don't want to move. So here we go, here, pinning down these areas I don't want to move. I want to just concentrate on making some movement around the finger and the thumb area. So let's just get another pin down there as well. Now any of these pins are editable, and also if you use the Alt key you can hover over one and take it away. So that's how that works. Now you can as well come up and show the mesh feature, which shows you exactly sort of how the object that you're dealing with is put together and how it changes with the mesh, but we're just going to leave the mesh tool off for the moment, and I'm just going to come up here and put the couple of sort of objects down, or a couple of pin drops down on the finger that I want to be editing. Now this is the one that I want to move, so if I click that and move here, you can see that it doesn't move this one. So if we just go back there, if we just move that back, if I was to then take this one away, you'll see how much more gets moved. So you can see the whole lot's getting moved. So maybe I don't want that, maybe I want to actually just curl the finger up, so along the creases. So if I'm going to do that, I'm going to have to put 2 drops there as well, and just start to turn the part of the finger. So there it is there, that's starting to move it, and if I pull this bit as well, that gives it a much better curve. So I'm just going to come over now and just move the thumb area a little. So again, just placing the spots sort of about where you want to move, usually where the creases are, you know, you can move those about a bit. There we go. I'm just going to apply that. So yeah, there's let's look at the before and after. So there's the before, and there's the after. So you could keep on editing and see how you get on, but that's really the basics of the puppet tool.